On the 6th anniversary of the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, DD News correspondent Tabassum Malik talked to former Home Secretary G.K. Pillai about the security situation of the country, how it has improved and what's in the future for us.
As the nation remembers the 6th anniversary of 26/11, today we have with us former Union Home Secretary J.K. Pillai. Sir, to start off with, I would just like to know, we have completed 6 years. Where do we stand after completing this 6 years? How secured are we, do you think?
Well, we improved our security quite a bit, but I would not say that we are anywhere near, shall I say, reaching perfection in able to tackle another terrorist attack like 26/11. We've improved a little bit of our intelligence. The multi-agency center, MAC, has been successful. We've not been successful in operationalizing the National Intelligence Grid. The NCTC, the National Counter-Terrorism Center, has not become operational because of objections from the state governments. And therefore, we are not fully prepared in one sense. But I think where we have improved is, as I said, in the multi-agency center and in the setting up of modernizing the police force with better weapons, a better standard operating procedures for various types of terrorist attacks that could take place. And to that extent, I think the state police forces are much better trained now, but we still have basic weaknesses in the state police forces, which are primarily due to both the recruitment of the police constables, sub-inspectors, and the training, which leaves a very substantial scope for improvement.
Yet after completing 6 years, we are behind. What is that? What do you think? What are those points or things which we are lacking behind?
Basically, it is in the training of, it's a basic training of the constabulary and the, we've got certain elite forces like the NSG and so on, which are as good as any force in the world. But the first responder will always be the local policeman, the local thana, the local constables, the local patrol cars. And there is where the lack of training is really, and you can only have improved that by carrying out drills on a regular basis, so that when an incident takes place, everybody knows what is to be done. Now the coastal front, substantially we've moved quite a bit, though I think by 2018 we'll be complete with all our preparations. But we have the marine police stations, we've got the Coast Guard, we've got the radars, all in various work in progress. But we've had cooperation with the fishermen community, because we have more than 20 lakh fishing boats who are plying in the seas, and it's not possible to monitor each one of them. But we've taken steps to have what we call the Friends of the Coastal Security among the fishermen, and they have helped us in getting intelligence if any new boat has come into the area or any unknown faces have come. To that extent, these drills conducted by the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard have been extremely helpful to see where are our weaknesses, where we are falling short of, and we are continuously improving. Well, we are far better prepared than we were in 2008. Definitely, as I said, if we can improve our training as well as the mock drills are absolutely essential. It is something which, and the standard operating procedures which have been laid down by the Ministry of Home Affairs, through which the mock drills have to be done on a regular basis, involving all the, not only policemen but also the citizens of, I think where we have failed is not being really taking the citizens into confidence and making them partners in helping us both for preventing, which is the best, prevent a terrorist attack, and the second, of course, once a terrorist attack takes place, to finish it as quickly as possible.
So this was J.K. Pillai talking to us in regards with 26/11 terror attack. In fact, he said if we get people, the general public in consideration, any attacks, if they take place further, we can just face it. With camera person Suresh Kale, this is Tabassum Malik for DD News, Mumbai.
And on the 6th anniversary of Mumbai terror attacks, family members of the martyrs paid homage at Police Memorial in Mumbai. Maharashtra Education Minister Vinod Tavre and police officials also paid tributes at the memorial. At least 166 people were killed and nearly 300 were injured when 10 Pakistani terrorists struck at various locations in Mumbai simultaneously on the 26th of November 2008. The lone terrorist Ajmal Kasab, who was captured alive during the attacks, was hanged to death after trial on November 21st, 2012.